This is Val with measureQuick, and today we're going to go over how to integrate ServiceTitan with your measureQuick account. To start, you have to obtain your tenant ID from ServiceTitan. Only company admins can find this number. They can find it under Integrations and API Application Access, and the tenant ID is in the upper right-hand corner. Once you have that tenant ID, you will email technical@measureQuick.com with the tenant ID and also who you are, what company you're with. Once we confirm that we have the tenant ID and reply back to you, you can finish the integration. Once we confirm that we have connected with ServiceTitan on our side, you will go back into ServiceTitan to obtain a few other numbers. You're going to select Connect New App. measureQuick should now be an option for you. And then allow access. Once you do those things, you will be supplied with a client ID and a client secret. You will then go to cloud.measureQuick.com, or you can also get there through our main website, and you will copy and paste all three of those into your dashboard. So to find out where those at, you're gonna click Company in the left-hand menu and ServiceTitan underneath that. So copy paste tenant ID, your client ID, and your client secret. Once you hit save, some settings will start to populate. The first setting will be which jobs do you want measureQuick to show your technicians in the app. So by default, either they are all checked or maybe just a couple of them are checked, but we recommend only having dispatched and working checked. The reason is if they're all checked or if there's too many jobs trying to be sent to measureQuick, the app will show no jobs. So if you ever come across an issue where a technician cannot see any jobs from ServiceTitan, that could be the problem. It could be your settings. So go back into settings and just kind of work with the different statuses that you would like technicians to see in our app. Once that is saved, you will have an option also for tags. So if you would like to monitor in ServiceTitan if there's measureQuick jobs that are open or complete or different scores, you can do that by adding tags into your ServiceTitan account. They are case sensitive, so they have to match exactly. Once you have the tags set in ServiceTitan, you can check ServiceTitan for tags in measureQuick Cloud. And it'll pull in all of your tags, but it will also confirm that you put in your measureQuick ones correctly. The final step is to match up users. If the email is the exact same in both accounts, then the system will automatically match up those users for you. If they're slightly different, or if you have the option to match up different technician to a ServiceTitan admin or vice versa, you can do that by clicking on the drop-down and matching up the different users the way you would like. At the end of that, you'll save, and now your integration is complete. So let's now go over what it will look like for the technician in the app. When they open their application, their homepage should look something like this. If it doesn't look like this, there is a home button in the bottom left. Just click on that. There will be a card called Dispatch Projects, and in there they'll see all of their projects that are dispatched to them with the status of whatever you chose in your dashboard. So for this example, we'll choose one, and we're gonna the technician will choose what type of workflow they're doing. We're gonna say this is an AC or heat pump service, and we're gonna create new equipment. If there's already been equipment saved to that site in measureQuick, it'll show up as an option to choose from. Once you're in the workflow, technicians can go through the guided workflow, or they use the standard workflow, which is the one that's displayed here. We automatically will pull in customer information and geotag from ServiceTitan. So whether the technician is using a guided workflow or a standard workflow, the app will port over the job site and the job site address and also the customer information automatically so that the technician doesn't have to duplicate input that information. So now that they're in measureQuick, this is where they're going to finish their job. Any pictures that they take in the app and any reports that they generate in measureQuick will automatically be sent back to ServiceTitan. If it's photos, it can be sent back in real time. And how you do that is make sure that your settings are set up. So technician would go under settings, photo settings, and auto sync photos to cloud. This will help prevent just an overabundance of data being sent back to ServiceTitan at the end of a project. So as technicians are taking photos, it will auto sync them back to ServiceTitan. So now when a technician is finished on the job, he already has his report and he has his photos. He's ready to exit the job. It can be found at the bottom of the workflow or the very top, or if you're in guided, it leads you to that result. Exit and sync to the cloud, and any unsent reports or unsent photos will be saved back to ServiceTitan. So let's go over what that looks like for a ServiceTitan admin. On the ServiceTitan side, you can find measureQuick reports and photos under the Files section of the ServiceTitan job. In the event something happens and the file's not set or photos are not synced, or if there's an issue, a backup of all of that information can be found on measureQuick's cloud. Click on Projects, and there's a full history of all projects and photos. All right. And that is how the ServiceTitan integration works with measureQuick.